Hi guys, and welcome back to Beauty Fortified. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Sue and I make hair care, skincare and makeup videos for the more mature woman. And I'm always on the lookout for makeup products that perform well on mature skin. And today I'm talking about the Clarins Instant Light Lip Perfectors. Now these have been around for decades, but they are just so good. And I haven't spoken about them before, and they really are unsung heroes. So I wanted to chat a little bit about them today, and I wanted to show you some swatches. So I'm such a fan of these that I have them in 5 different shades and I love all of them the same. And what are they? So they are a gloss and they just perform beautifully on the lips. They're very moisturizing, very nourishing, and they also give you a beautiful sheen or shimmer. And they're very, very flattering on mature lips as well. Just really comfortable to wear. They're not goopy, they're not sticky, and they can just really give your face a little bit of a lift. So starting off, I'm going to show you the colors that I have. They come in a little tube which looks like that. You get 12 mils of product, and they do come with a little sponge applicator. So they really are very quick and easy to apply. Obviously you can use them with a lip liner if you are wanting a little bit more of a color. Some of them are very light, but they do perform well if you match them with a lip liner. So the swatches that I'm showing you today are all without a lip liner. So the first one I'm going to be talking about is Intense Maple. And this one is just a beautiful kind of rosy nude. So it's not like anything I don't have in my collection. I have a lot of lip glosses and lipsticks this shade, but it really is just a gorgeous shade of nude, and it kind of tends to go with everything. The next one I'm going to show you is the newest to my collection, and it's called Rosewood Shimmer, because every girl needs something in their collection called Rosewood Shimmer. And I think Elizabeth Arden came out with a lipstick by that name at one stage, or it might have been Clarins. This is also a pinky nude, but it's a little bit lighter than Intense Maple. And it just has a beautiful kind of everyday color to it. So very, very wearable. The next one I'm going to talk about is called Rose Shimmer, and this is the lightest of them all. And it is just a really beautiful, very light, rosy pink shade. So really great if you are fair-skinned as well. Just absolutely beautiful. And then the third one that I have is called Candy Shimmer, and it's a kind of variation of the Rose Shimmer, but it's just a little bit more peach. So there it is there, just a very beautiful sheeny peach color. And then finally I've got Plum Shimmer, and that is the one that I'm wearing on my lips today. And again, just an absolutely gorgeous deeper kind of mauvey plum shade. And this is probably the deepest shade of the lot, but just absolutely beautiful. So guys, let me know if you've tried these and let me know what your thoughts are. There is a core color range, but it does seem that Clarins brings out limited editions from time to time. And every time I see a new one, I just can't seem to resist. I am going to leave you with a link to my video on the Clarins Velvet Lip Perfectors, which are the matte balms, and they are really excellent. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao.